All right, guys, time to roll out this menu, and we're starting with breakfast for the kiddies. And for that, my super mom, my super chef, Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles has joined us in the kitchen. Welcome back.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice to be back.
So Chef Cheryl is here with us. She's our super mom. Chef Cheryl is, as I said, I've seen her multitask as a chef and a mom all at once. I've seen it, Chef.
Yes.
You're a super mom.
Yes. I have a big man now. So.
Yeah.
He can hold his own right now at times.
We call him Chef Son.
Yes.
So Chef, you're creating a breakfast dish for us.
Yes.
We're using these Poco Loco Tortilla, corn, wheat. There's an entire range of wraps.
Yes, they are. And I'll tell you something, I like them because sometimes you want a quick wrap and it's on the shelf. It's not in the freezer where you will normally find the wraps.
Right.
So I can just go on the bread aisle, grab it, go home, make your wraps instead of having to thaw out wraps and wait and heat it up and that kind of stuff.
Excellent.
So that's why I like them.
Excellent.
They're really soft and nice and you could do a lot of stuff with them.
What are you doing with them today?
So, seeing that's just a little kiddie something, and you know, we want those kids to eat, but we want them to enjoy it as well.
Yes.
We're going to make a cheesy hot dog wrap.
Right, because it's all about cheesy and gooey today, guys. The entire menu will be cheesy and gooey. And Chef is doing a cheesy hot dog wrap.
Taking some mustard, and I just paste some mustard on it. If you want and you like a lot more mustard, you can put the mustard on the hot dog itself.
Right.
Right. Put some cheese. Again, I'm using cheddar cheese. Whichever cheese you prefer or your kids would have, you can use. Right. You put your hot dog in there, and then we roll it up, and we fry it.
We're frying it?
We're frying it.
I was about to ask, those hot dogs are not looking cooked.
So I have some oil here, vegetable oil, heating up. And what I like to do so that it doesn't open up is put the first one in. Let it start to fry. And then you let it go. So it doesn't open on you.
And the hot dog will cook in there,
and everything. The hot dog will cook in there and everything.
I think even the big kids will like this.
Yes,
like
anybody.
Me. Yeah.
Huge, big kids. And I'm sure you're referring to yourself, big kids. You would have some cheese escaping because
the cheese is going to be melting in there.
Right. And the nice thing is you can get the kids involved in it.
And it stays together.
And it stays together. Now you can you can serve it with some ketchup and some extra mustard, or if you want you can make, you know, a different type of sauce in there. And the big kids as well as the little kids can have fun.
This is hot.
Yes, it
Breakfast is served, as I like to say, guys. Cheesy. I'm seeing the cheese oozing out there, Chef. Cheesy hot dog wraps.
Yes.
Thanks to our super mom. That's why she's a super mom, because she took a simple, humble hot dog, wrapped it with some cheesy, mustardy goodness, and we got this.
And then too, when you have kids that are saying, I'm hungry, you want something that's really quick.
Quick, easy.
Hush them up.
And that was really easy and simple.
Easy and simple.
Supermom Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles dropping by to start things off. Cheesy and gooey. You gotta try this. Get kids off to a great start in the morning before they start homeschooling. Coming right back, guys. The menu continues after this. We're all in cheesy and gooey mood today.